Well, you can use ChatGPT to rotate a picture, and of course, we are not going to be using the AI image generation model because that's actually a bad idea. Not only that it will alter the picture, it will also be very slow. Instead, we want to use ChatGPT to generate some Python code, and then later it can be used to generate, actually not generate, but to rotate some pictures in just a few seconds. So let me show you how you can use ChatGPT as a tool for rotating some images. Now I'm going to open a new chat in ChatGPT. And basically here I have 4 different pictures and I'll just upload them into ChatGPT. So the limit for the amount of files that you can upload at once per message is I think 10 images, and that is true for both free and plus users in ChatGPT. So that's one thing to know. Now after all the pictures have been uploaded, you can insert this prompt. So this prompt will be available in the description down below. You can copy it and paste that into your ChatGPT message. And there are a few things that you can modify. So first of all, you can adjust the rotation angle right here. You can also select the rotation direction, whether it is to the left or to the right. And you can specify what is the naming scheme for each new file. And also here, I have a specified setting that if there are more than 3 files in the attachment, then those files need to be archived together into a zip file for faster and easier download. Now that's basically the setting, and here I'm going to just click the submit button. Just wait for ChatGPT to generate a Python code, and then you'll get a download link that later you can click, and then you can open the image, or perhaps you can also extract the file if it is a zip format. So you'll see that it will still be the same pictures, same everything. It is not using the image generation model, and it is going to be much more accurate. And also I mentioned here to not change the quality, the format, and also the metadata of the picture. So that's something that will preserve everything about the pictures. Anyway, this process might take several minutes depending on the number of pictures that you have. So I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Okay, so here, okay, this is something that could happen. So it's supposed to be a clickable link, but this is a problem that I notice quite often when I'm using ChatGPT 5 or ChatGPT regular version. So I do recommend to actually start with the thinking model. But in case you are already using the regular version or the auto mode, then you can click this press button, the rotate button, and then switch to model and then select the thinking model, because it will likely going to follow your directions or instruction much better than the auto mode. So I guess I'll just skip over again and show you the final result. Okay, so it is done, and here interestingly it's still providing with the individual download links, but I'll just use the zip version. So it is starting the download, and by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that I highly recommend to just download the file immediately, because these files are actually temporary. They're not going to be there in the server forever. So it might be deleted in just about perhaps 30 minutes. So just download the files as soon as it is available. Okay, we got this zip file, and I guess I'm going to extract it first on my computer. And okay, so we got this picture, and then this picture, and this picture. Yep, they are actually rotated to the left 90 degree, and yeah, it's still the same picture with all the same details. So you can use it as a simple tool to bulk rotate pictures with just some script and also some simple instructions like this. Again, the full prompt is going to be available in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.